right, guys, when it's summertime, Montana Outlaw barbecue style, we like to do side dishes. And so today we're gonna show you how we make our potato salad at home. 4 russet potatoes, peeled and cooked in the bowl. We're gonna add 3 celery stalks, chopped. Half red onion, diced. 1/4 cup of parsley, and leaving a little bit. 4 scallions, just the greens. 6 tablespoons rice wine vinegar. 1 1/4 cup of mayo. 2 tablespoons coarse ground Dijon mustard. Pinch of pepper. Pinch of salt. And stir. Then garnish with parsley.